Here in this video, we will learn about what is data structures and algorithm. First, we need to learn what is data structure algorithm. DSA is a fundamental concepts in computer science that involves the organization and manipulation of data. Coming into the what is data structure is data structures are specialized in formats for organizing, processing, and storing data. They enable efficient data management and retrieval. This what is data structures and algorithm. Next, we need to learn about why data structure and algorithm is important. For example, increasing the efficiency. We are using the DSA, it will increase the efficiency. Understanding DSA helps in writing efficient code and choice of data structures, and algorithm can significantly affect the performance of a program in terms of speed and memory usage, like that, and also problem solving. DSA provides a framework for solving a complex problems. It helps in breaking down the problems into manageable parts and applying the right techniques to solve them. These are all about why data structures and algorithms is important. Another one is also optimization. And many real world applications require the optimized solution. Knowledge of DSA allows developers to optimize their code for better performance, which is crucial in resource constrained environments, like that. Next one is foundation for advanced topics. DSA is a foundational for many advanced topics in computer science, including database, artificial intelligence, and machine learning and software development, and also technical interview. Proficiency in DSA is often a key requirements in technical interviews for software engineering positions. Many companies accesses the candidates on their understanding of data structures and algorithm. This is all about why is it important DSA. Next, we move to the what are the types of DSA. Like coming into the types of DSA, here is there are two types in data structure. One is primitive data structure, another one is non-primitive data structures. Coming into the primitive data structure, here it is like integer, float, character, and boolean data types. These are all the common data types, like integer floats. The integers are represents in the numbers and floats are representing the 10.2 something like that. Characters are representing the strings, alphabet numericals, and booleans are a true or false. This is all about primitive data structure. And coming into the non-primitive data structure, there are two types in non-primitive data structures. One is linear data structure, another one is non-linear data structure. Coming into the linear data structure, there are two types. First one is direct access, another one is sequential access. Coming into the direct access, array and matrix are the here in this. Array is a collection of elements identified by index or keys. The matrix is that it's in the form of table, rows and columns, right? So this is all about direct access data structures. Next, we move on to this sequential access, like linked list. A linked list is a sequence of elements where each element points to the next. There are three types in linked list, like single linked list, double linked list, and circular linked list. These are all about linked list. Next, we move on to the stack. A stack is a collection of elements that follows the last last in first out principle. This is the stack. Next one is queue, the collection of elements that follows the first in first out. Next, we move on to the non-linear data structure. There are in this non-linear data structure, there are two types. First one is hierarchical, another one is unordered. Like coming into the hierarchical, this all comes under trees. A tree is a hierarchical structures with nodes, where each node has a value and reference to a child nodes. Next one, the heaps data structure, heaps, and another one is trie. In coming to the unordered data, it is in the in unordered data structures, graph sets, and hash tables. The graph is a collection of nodes connected by edges used to represent the networks. Here is all about data structure and why it is used, and what are all the different types of data structure, like primitive data structure, non-primitive, linear, non-linear, direct access, sequential access, hierarchical, unordered. This is all about data structures.